Sometimes a recipe calls for just the lemon zest, so here's what to do with the juice. You're going to need some lemons, a juicer and an ice cube tray. First thing to do is give them a good wash and rinse. Then obviously if you are wanting them just for the zest, get them zest. Then you're going to cut your lemons in half and get them in a juicer. And it's just a case of filling up your ice cube tray. Each ice cube represents around a tablespoon, so you know when it comes to cooking with them in future the amounts that you've got. Once you've had them in the freezer, you get your little ice cubes like that, easy to pop out, and they do defrost quite quickly, so don't worry about that. But yeah, there they are. Pop them into your recipes. Saves wasting your fresh lemon juice.